Sumama ka sa bagong Pilipinas Servisyo Fair, meron kang 777. Kung hindi ka sumama, wala ka. Endorsement ba yan? O he has the authority to give and not to give? Very clear, the Speaker has the authority to give or not to give a district the soft funds. Not only dun sa 777. Kasi may basic kami, di ba? Pag kulang, doon kami magre-request sa portal. May portal 'yan. O tapos di ba pinakita ko nga yung text? Ano ba nakasulat doon sa text? Mamaya hanapin ko pag may break up. Na yung the funds you requested from the speaker. So, okay, pero niliwanagin ko, hindi po ito cash na binibigay. It is 7 million worth of AIX, 7 million worth of TUPAD, 7 million worth of AKAP, o minsan ginagawang 7 million worth of MAIP. So, maliwanag na aprubahan na namin yung budget, but still, the authority to give or not to give is with the Speaker. At meron talaga nababawian. Pag hindi ka sumunod, if you're not a good boy or a good girl, pwede kang bawian, pwede i-hold.
Is that fundamentally wrong?
Yes, because sinabi na nga doon sa bawal ang post-enactment. Our role is to approve the budget. After we approve the budget, hindi na namin pwedeng pakialaman yun kasi nasa executive branch